How to fix CUFFBUST crashing on Steam. So first you will need to go to your library and then right click on the game and open up the properties window. Go to installed files and click on verify the integrity of game files and wait for this process to finish checking. Once it's done, you want to go to the general tab and then under launch options add the following command, which is -dx11 like this. Then you can close out of this window and then you will need to open up your GPU applications. So for NVIDIA, you will need to install NVIDIA app, go to the drivers section, and then from here, download and install the latest game ready driver. Next, you will need to open up your browser and search for Redist like this, and then click on the first Microsoft link. And then scroll down to the second table, which is this one, and download the 86 version and the 64 version. Download and install both of these. You can also repair the installation if you have them already installed. And next, you'll need to search for directx runtime. And then click on the first Microsoft link again. And then just hit the download button with your language selected. And then you should simply follow the steps to install the runtime for DirectX. And once you're done, before restarting your computer, go to Steam, go to the Steam on the top left, go to Settings, and then go to In-Game, and make sure to disable the Steam overlay. You can also try to disable the Discord overlay by clicking on the user settings right here, and then scroll down to Game Overlay and disable it from here. You should also try to disable NVIDIA overlay or any other app that has an overlay. Go to settings and disable the overlay. Next, you will need to restart your computer by clicking on the power button and then restart. And once your computer is rebooted, you will need to launch Steam as admin before actually opening the game. Right click on Steam and run as admin. And then you can launch CUFFBUST again. And that should fix the crashing problems. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.